welcome to camp for 2019. I'm saying welcome to the summer camp for 2019. It seems that time goes by just so quickly that it seems almost like a few days ago I was standing here saying goodbye to the 2017 summer camp. Now 1 year has gone by and we have to say goodbye to those who joined us for the 2018 summer camp. We should use this occasion as a time for rejoicing over the three periods of time. In Buddhism, we have a practice in Chinese, it's called Suishi. In Pali, Anumodana, which means rejoicing together with. And so we can rejoice in regard to the past, the present, and the future. First, in regard to the past, we should rejoice in the efforts that everyone put into the whole process of planning, organizing, arranging the summer camp for this year. This took tremendous effort on the part of people from BAUS. I have to mention the coordinators, Andy and Joyce, the program director, Venerable Chang Rei, the whole team of monastics here, as well as the volunteer staff of BAUS Monastery. So we should all rejoice with great appreciation for all of the efforts that they put into the planning, organizing, arranging of the summer camp. So this is a work that went on for months with constant phone calls, internet conference calls, and so forth. And so we come here and we find everything is arranged. When the meal bell rings, we go for the meal. When shower time comes, we go for the shower. When the classes take place, we go to the classes. But we have to appreciate how much work, how much effort goes into making the summer camp a success. So let's just for 10 seconds in your own mind feel deep appreciation and joy for the merits and hard work of everybody who contributed to the planning and arranging of the summer camp. Okay, now comes rejoicing for what takes place in the present. Over the 5 days of this camp, you've had the opportunity to learn the Buddha Dharma. And in all of life, the most precious thing you can learn is the Buddha Dharma, because it's the Buddha Dharma that teaches us how we should live our life. Everything else one learns in school pretty much is geared just to give you factual information or to prepare you for some kind of career in life. But without the Buddha Dharma, we're like blind men trying to find our way along a rocky road. But the Buddha Dharma is what takes away the darkness of delusion covering our eyes, and it shows us how we can live our life in a way that will be beneficial, truly beneficial to ourselves, truly beneficial to others. It teaches us how we can live our life in a way that will bring real happiness to ourselves, that will make us a source of happiness for others. And so rejoice in everything that you've learned over the summer camp and all of the effort that you put into attending classes and absorbing the precious guidelines of the Dharma. Again, just 10 seconds, rejoice in everything that you've learned and in the efforts of the teachers who taught you the Dharma during these 5 days. Okay, and now rejoice over the future. Rejoice that now you found the right way to live, and so you know what you have to do in the future, in the days, months, even years ahead. You've learned that you have to work on your conduct, living in accordance with the precepts of Buddhism, and so now you can apply the precepts to your everyday action. You've learned about the importance of the mind, particularly the dangers of greed, hatred, and ignorance, and the benefits of generosity, moral conduct, and or loving kindness and wisdom. So now in the future, you have to work constantly practicing generosity, generating loving kindness and compassion, and learning the Dhamma more and more so that your wisdom will increase and you will become a great source of bliss and joy for others. So I hope that you will take all of this away with you when you go back to your ordinary lives, and that we'll see you again here next year in 2020. Wait.